All right, September 7th, 2025. We're going to start at the Fenwick Car Show on this beautiful 71 GTO, and it's flanked by a 69 Camaro Z28. All right, so we're going to do a quick walk around. So the gentleman at the front gate tells me there's over 300 cars in this car show. So it's a pretty good turnout for a little country car show. And big old Buick. And there's a V8 in this little Capri here. That looks pretty scary. Plymouth GTX. And there's that plum crazy purple. And there's my Corvette. And Roush 427 it says. Lower on a stroker mod motor. Looks like we're going to get some rain here. Oh, there's a little Pontiac Canso, Acadian Canso. Looks like everybody's leaving because they're scared of the rain, I think. Yeah, what's it say on the hood of this Corvette? 383. Looks a little bit bigger than stock. That's the Cougar over there. Beautiful 396 SS Chevelle. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get rain. Oh, that's a beautiful swinger. Yeah, I think I'm feeling some spit in here. I'm not sure. What's this here? 383 Super B. I'm not sure what color green that is. That's that color David Freiberger just hates. Okay. MG Bridget. Nice El Camino. An old Porsche. V10 R8 Audi. Pretty cool car. All right, I'm gonna come back to these two here. They're beautiful cars. Oh, I've seen this weapon before. Old rocket engine. Nice Coronet. Oasis. Well, I think I'm gonna cut that up into 3 parts this show because I gotta walk quite a distance from one lot of cars to another lot of cars. So, okay, I'm gonna call this Fenwick Car Show, September 2025. Oh, beautiful Mark 1. Part 1. Yeah, bunch of Corvettes. There's Corvettes up there. And, yeah, we'll call that part 1.